Good stuff? Good stuff? Oh, we're having our first spoonfuls of cereal. Doing a little rice cereal. We're very excited. Every time the spoon comes, we get a little excited.
Isn't it past the teeth, over the gums? Look out, stomach, here it comes.
There we go. I'm going to step back. How do you feel? You feeling good? You're feeling good? You like it? Of course. Who wouldn't like a little rice and booby milk? You want more? Do you want more? What do you think? What do you think? Yeah.
The excitement.
Good stuff.
So exciting.
And here, last spoonful, here we come. Last spoonful. Yeah. All done. It's all done.